Hey everyone, my name is Peter. I'm a passionate wealth builder and educator, and I use properties and stock options as my investment vehicles. And today I want to talk about playing both sides of the stock market. When you ask a person about stock market, all they can think about is if the stock market goes up or the prices of the shares that they purchase goes up, then they make money. And then when it goes down, they lose money. So that's why a lot of people are too skeptical and too scared to do anything on the stock market because they don't understand that you can actually very easily play both sides. Now, when we purchase a stock in here and then it goes up, then it's all beautiful. It's too easy. But then what happens when it goes down? Then we start to lose money. So we start stressing. More sophisticated investors, they would at that point they would start shorting the stocks. So shorting means you're actually borrowing somebody else's shares, and then as the value goes down, the value of that share goes down, they can purchase it back. So let's say over here you shorted minus 100 shares, and at that point you buy it back. So your balance goes back to zero, but basically over here, let's say you shorted it at for argument's sake, $100, and at that point you can buy it back for $50. Then you just pocketed the difference. So that's how you can also make money when the prices go down. But because I'm a stock options trader, I don't normally buy and sell stocks. I sell call and put options depending on which way the prices are going. So and obviously what my assumption is. So if we look at this particular chart, over here we can see that the price went up and then it started to go down. So what I would do is as soon as I feel comfortable, I would sell a put option. Now, why do I sell a put option in here? Because I have an assumption that at some point it's gonna turn around and the price is gonna go back up. So if the price remains above my put option strike price, let's say this line, and let's say that's my expiration, then I pocket the premium that I collected for that put option. So what happens is if the price starts to go up, so my assumption is correct, then the value of this put option goes down really, really fast. So at that point, I can actually purchase back the put option that I sold and pocket the difference. And once the price goes up to a certain level, then I can do the same thing on the other side. But in this instance, I'm going to sell a call option. And then same story. If it remains under that particular strike price, then I'm happy because then I can keep that premium. Now, once the stock price starts to go back down, so it goes further away from my strike, then I can very quickly purchase that call option back and keep a portion of that premium, the entire premium that I collected. So I can do that over and over. Sometimes I have situations where I play the same thing, the same movement, 2-3 times in a week. And guess what? You're not going to become rich by selling one put option or by selling one call option. But when you do it over and over and you do it many times, then it will all add up, and it will basically help you to achieve exponential growth. I will also talk about in one of my videos. I will talk about strategies where you can actually play both sides simultaneously rather than, okay, at this point I close down this one and I jump onto a call option. You can actually just keep both of them at the same time. That's what we call a strangle. The strangle is you sell a put option and you sell a call option at the same time normally with the same expiration, and what you're hoping is that the stock price is going to remain between your two strikes, the put and the call. But I will cover that in another video. I just wanted to talk about how you can play both sides of the stock market very easily using put and call options. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find it useful. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them behind. If you want to reach out to me, you can do so via typhonitos.com. I will have the link in the description. And I see you on the next video. Thank you.